Hey guys, this is Chen from your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. So, everybody has been home. So we know that many people have been sent home without pay. So a lot of people are in some kind of situation that needed help. So today I want to talk about about homes, about home ownership. So about the timeline of foreclosure. So we know many people, your home has been, you have a mortgage, but you've been sent home without pay. So that may present a problem, when it comes time to pay for the mortgage. So today I want to share with you guys how the timeline works. So in the mortgage, normally if you did not pay the monthly mortgage premium, in a regular situation, the lender, they will send you a notice of default. So once you get the notice of default, you have about 90 days before the lender sends you the notice of trust sale. And once you have the notice of trust sale, then you have about 20 days before they sell your home. So once they get your home sold, then it's too late, right? Because they already sold the home to somebody else. So even if you already have received the notice of trustee sale, we can still help you. We can still help you to avoid foreclosures. There are actually 10 ways to avoid foreclosures. If you are in such situation, give me a call, because we guarantee to sell your home, and we can get you an offer in as little as 48 hours, without repair, without open house, and we have 50,000 plus buyers to be able to buy your home. So I know. So there's the banks. They just there's 4 major banks. They are saying they gonna agree to do the how do you say it, to allow the homeowners to delay their payment for 3 months. So only 4 of the banks. I think it's Bank of America, Chase, and a couple other banks. So for the other banks, that does not allow you to be late on your payment. And if you are late on your payment, and if you're worried about bank to foreclose on your home, make sure to give me a call, because we have 10 ways to help you to avoid foreclosure. And obviously, if you do need to get your home sold, we also can get your home sold. We can get you a cash offer in as little as 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours, and you don't have to do any repair. You don't have to do any home showing, and we have 50,000 plus buyers. So this is Chen from your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, and I wish everyone well. And during this special time period, everybody's staying home, and so you wanna be careful, about the coronavirus, and you wanna and still take care of your body. But most important of all is to make sure you have a positive mindset, because this shall pass. Anything, doesn't matter how bad it's gonna be, it will always pass. So just keep up a positive mindset, and take care of your body, take care of your family, and take care of finances. If you need help with real estate, in regard to real estate financing or real estate, how to what to do if you run into trouble, I'm here to help you. My name is Chen, your Home Sold Guarantee Realty.